Once you receive your RE3 pack, place both ICECORE blankets into your freezer and allow them to freeze overnight. Ensure your freezer is set to -18 degrees for optimal treatment. Each RE3 pack includes 2 ICECORE blankets, allowing an easy rotation, so you'll always have one ready when you need it. When storing your ICECORE blankets, always lay them flat, away from freezer items, particularly sharp or heavy objects that could damage the pockets. When properly frozen, the ICECORE blankets should appear milky white but remain malleable. Before use, allow the ICECORE blanket to sit at room temperature for about 10 minutes to soften slightly. Then insert it securely inside of your RE3 brace and take it to your resting area. Always use a light towel between your skin and the pack to avoid cold burns or frostbite. If you have circulatory issues or reduced sensitivity, consult your doctor before using RE3. To start, thread the loose strap through the buckles on the brace. The side opposite the RE3 logo is usually easiest. Make sure the neoprene side is facing down, with the fluffier side facing up to match the brace. Hold the brace with one hand and position it on your hip. With your free hand, reach around your back to grab the top strap. Keep the strap flat, no twists, then secure it into the buckle and pull across your body until you reach the desired compression. Once the top strap is in place, fasten the bottom strap for a secure, comfortable fit. When applying the RE3 brace, make sure there are no gaps or air pockets between the brace and your hip. Straps are secured firmly but comfortably. Compression is even across the hip. If not, you may need to leave your ICECORE blanket out longer. We've introduced an extension piece for added comfort on larger limbs. If you don't have one and you would like to, speak to your health professional. They can arrange it for you. To set up, on a bench or couch, attach the extension by matching the Velcro pieces to the bottom strap. Now you're ready to apply the brace as explained previously with more comfort. For treatment, ice for 20 minutes unless your surgeon advises otherwise. Make sure to put the used one back for later. Remove RE3 before exercises. RE3 is best used post-exercise to reduce inflammation and swelling. Follow these steps to set yourself up for the best possible recovery after hip surgery.